in charge, Sudhir Kumar Mishra, talking to you. You can clap for me. And overall supervision of the student council. Again, I will request you to give a big hand, Mr. Ajit Kumar Dubey, the supervisory head of this school. The student council is headed by the two heads, and two heads are the head girl and the head boy. So we are waiting for the new head girl and head boy. The third step of the student council is the school captains, and school captains of different categories, different disciplines, such as activity, environment captain of the school, discipline captain of the school, counseling captain of the school, language captain of the school, sports captain of the school, and a sports coordinator as well. And the fourth level of the student council is the house captains. House captains of all the four houses. As you know, we have four pillars of our school in the form of four houses: Dayanand, Mahatma Hansraj, Shraddhanand, and Vivekanand. So the house captains, boys and girls, vice house captain, boys and girls, these are the fourth tier of the student council. The fifth tier, all the respected teachers of this school are also the members of a student council. And last but not the least, the sixth tier of student council is you people, the students of this school, who make the student council meaningful and successful for the session. So this is the formation of a student council. Without taking much time now, here I am going to announce and call and welcome the office bearers of student council 2023 and 24, starting with the houses. Are you ready, house captains? Please come before all the students. May I start with Dayanand House? Please welcome the house captains, Dayanand House, girls Srishti Kumari, house captain boys Saurabh Kumar, vice house captain Manya, and vice house captain boys R. Evans. House captain girls Srishti from class 11A. Dayanand House, wake up! Next is Mahatma Hansraj House. Let's welcome the house captains of Mahatma Hansraj House. The house captain girls is Anjali Kumari 11A. House captain boys Tanish 11A. Vice house captain girls Sneha Rani Mishra. And vice house captain boys is MD Jishan. All the house captains are from class 11 and all the vice house captains are from class 9. And come now, look at my left. Here coming the office bearers, the captains of Shraddhanand House. May I call house captain girls Tanisha class 11A, house captain boys Suraj Kumar 11B, vice house captain from class 9 Swarnim girls, and vice house captain in boys Naseem Ahmed. तालियां कम कर दिए भाई, अपने हाउस के लिए तो बजा दो जरा जम के. Yes, very good, nice. And here, Vivekanand House. Again, I will say my favorite because I am in blue today. House captain girls, Smriti, class 11A. House captain boys, Aryan, class 11B. Vice house captain girls, Shabrina 9B, and vice house captain boys, Himanshu 9B. So this is the house setup with all the house captains and vice house captains. And now I'm going to call on the stage the school captains of different disciplines. And I request all the girls captain of the school to enter a step on the stage from my right and all the boys from the left. And now अब तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ये स्कूल के कैप्टन्स हैं भाई. कैप्टन एक्टिविटी स्कूल गर्ल्स अदिति सिंह क्लास 11A. Activity captain boys Aditya Raj class 11A. Environment captain Srishti Singh class 11A. Environment captain boys Prince Jadhav class 11A. Then Discipline captain of the school, Tanisha Sinha, 11A. Discipline captain girls, Subham Kumar, class 11A. Sorry, discipline captain boys. Now coming to the counseling department. That is very, very important department. And this department worked a bit well last year. Counseling department, the girl, Smriti Kumari, class 11A, and the boys counselor of the school is Yuvraj, class 11A. Language, very important part of the school, since we are the part and parcel of an English medium school. And our respected principal sir has given much emphasis on the spoken English, as well as even Hindi, but in a good manner. So the responsibility of the language captain is a lot in this student council. May I call the language captain Tamanna, class 11B, girls, and the language captain boys, students, class 11A. Now sports. Sports is also the very important, and again the important. And this year, as we know, the India is scaling new heights. Our nation is scaling new heights, whether it be the Asian Games or World Cup or whatever it is. So here in sports, the captains, girls, Riya Sharma, class 11B, and Aryan Kumar from class 11A. And this year a new change is going to have that. Last year we had a new portfolio in the student council, a sports coordinator with and Ayush Kumar. Okay, thank you sir, thank you ma'am. No. Yes. Okay. Now, before stepping on to the next event, जिम्मेवारियां याद दिलानी भी जरूरी है। स्टूडेंट काउंसिल के जो मेंबर्स हैं, जो ऑफिस बेयरर्स हैं, उनकी ड्यूटीज और ड्यूटीज से ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ये आज से बढ़ गई हैं। They have to take care of their academic part as well as the school part. Here are some instruction, I will say the responsibilities of the student council, all members of the student council. I am reading out, and I request all of you to listen to it very carefully. The expectations from the office bearer: be regular, punctual, disciplined, and make other students disciplined also. खुद तो डिसिप्लिन रहना ही है, and act as a role model for other students. Obey the staff members, teachers, and the principal. Give respect to elders and affection to the juniors. That is very important. A bond between senior and junior is very much required for the school. Speak English and also encourage others to do so. That's why we have the language captain. Be faithful and honest to the duties assigned. Be sincere to the assignment given to you, especially for morning assembly, recess, dispersal, CCA, and other functions, occasional functions. Maintain decency and decorum of the post. Whatever the post you are owning, you have to maintain the decency of that post. Be a role model for the juniors. Treat the property of the school. That's again very important. Treat the property of the school as your own. So there must be a sense of belongingness. And report if the damage is caused by someone. You know where you have to report. And last, act as a brand ambassador of the school in the society. आप जब यहाँ से अपने सोसाइटी में जाते हैं, अपने घर में कॉलोनी में जाते हैं, लोग आपको वॉच करते हैं कि देखो डीएवी का बच्चा कैसा बिहेव करता है. If you are behaving negatively, that goes to the image of the school, and if you are behaving excellently in the society, that also being observed, and that credit goes to the school. So act as a brand ambassador for the school. So these are the responsibilities of all the office bearers. Did you listen carefully? Will you obey it? Very good. Give a big hand for again. The first captain. And now, school the main flashlight, the main focus is about to come. Who is the head and who are the heads of this student council? Who is the head girl for this session? Who is the head boy this session? Even I am getting goosebumps to know. And this year, just to make it electrified, we have kept it a secret. And that secret will be unveiled by not other than our respected principal, sir. So may we request from all the entire school, sir, I request you to step on the stage and reveal this secret, who is the head boy and head girl of this school.
टाइम खराब से आता है बाबू फोटो ले